During Ashcan's pre-college art portfolio prep programs, we have food workshops where students are given all kinds of different foods, vegetables, meat, fish, and fruits, to piece together into sculptural objects. Once the pieces are put together, students then make still lifes for their art portfolio from them, starting with sketches and then still life drawings or paintings. We do this because still lifes that are drawn from life, not from a photograph, are one of the most important parts of your art portfolio, if not the most important part. And unfortunately, almost all high school students fail to include them in their art portfolios. Additionally, you'll be required to make many drawings from life once you enter a college-level art program. If you are drawing only from photographs before entering, you'll develop bad drawing habits that will be difficult to get rid of once you get there. We know it's much more convenient to draw from a photo than to draw from life, so we've developed this fun and creative art portfolio prep class where you choose the foods you like the most or find most visually appealing and arrange them in your own unique way. One way is deconstruction, by destroying the food's natural form, and then reconstruction, where you reconstruct or reassemble. Then recontextualize, where you reinterpret and recreate. Across every culture and all of human history, food imagery has been recreated over and over again in countless compositional interpretations, and if done right, it can be a fascinating subject for you to use in your art portfolio that admissions counselors will really enjoy. Ashcan Art offers pre-college portfolio preparation courses year-round. Learn more about our courses at ashcanart.com and see accepted art portfolio examples on Instagram at ashcan.art. And please subscribe below for more art portfolio tips.